If you don't like cooking, it's because you don't have the right cookware. So let me unbox some of the most incredible cookware that will have you cooking all day. Welcome to the sumptuous side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka and you're highly welcome to my channel today. So this is actually one of my favorites in the unboxing video because I've been waiting to have this. I've been looking to have this. I've actually been searching for it. I've been asking a lot of people looking for it. The first one I saw was actually, the vendor was in Kaduna. So I think I wanted to get it from her, but there was like some issues. So I just left it. So when I got this vendor, I was so happy, and it was even far better than what I requested because I used to have this before and it's got broken. So I was looking for a replacement. I couldn't get a replacement. So when I saw this vendor and what was delivered to me was far beyond my expectation. Like, I loved it so much. So let's watch to see what I'm talking about. This is it. I love the way the vendor packaged it so well. It came in this secured box with all the papers and everything, and I loved it so much. It is one of my favorites, like, because I've been longing for it so much and I'm so excited. You would have seen me make use of this so many times in my recent videos. So it's really amazing to unbox something. Like, you just get so excited. Like, when you get new things, someone said when you get older, like, some things that wouldn't have made you happy when you're younger would start making you happy, especially when it comes to unboxing. And I can tell you, it is so true. It is so true. I was super excited this day when I was unboxing this. Like, all the emotions was over my body and I love the feeling. Like I said, this is one of my favorites. I love this bowl so much. It's so durable. I love the feeling. I love how it's kind of heavy because of its very strong. I love it. I love how it looks. It looks finer in reality than, because she first sent me the video before I purchased it. I love this bowl so much. Like, oh my goodness, I love it. Like, I went ahead to buy other one again because of how much I love it. I'm still going to buy another one because of how durable it is. I love the feeling. Maybe I'll just get a smaller one because I got like 3 of this, 2 of the same size, and then a smaller one. But I don't think she has like a very small one. I would have loved very small one, but I don't think she has the small one I want. But I love this bowl so much. And then I also got this, and you have, like I said, you would have seen me use it in my recent videos. I use it for my oil, but you can also use it as for juice. So I got another of this too again, so I'll show you in later as the video proceeds. You will see it. This is so cute as well, and it's also durable. It's strong, so it's not fragile. So that's the reason why I really love this vendor. Like, her products are really good. So there's a pot that I've been eyeing on her page. Maybe later, not this year though, maybe next year, or maybe this year I might get the pot. That pot is so cute as well. I love how it looks durable, and so far the things I've gotten from her store are really durable. So I might get it maybe this year or next year, or maybe the beginning of next year, by God's grace. And so let's see. I'm doing the unboxing too. I love this so much. It is so cute and it's so beautiful. So the next product I got, this was from another vendor, was this beautiful, oh my god, just wait for it, it's so beautiful. I wanted the pink of this, but it was so that I was going for the yellow, but I was like, no, the blue is actually fine. So I went for the blue of this, and it is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. I love it so much. Like, this is also one of my favorite. I think all the unboxing on this video is actually my favorite. I love them so much. They are very, very beautiful. I wonder how the pink would have looked like really, like how would that look like. But I love this blue a lot. I love the color. It pops so well. You'd have seen it in one of my videos. So it's so beautiful. So the other thing I want to unbox is just so, let me not say it, so just say it. But though I didn't get lots of this clip because of the way the person was videoing it, so I gave someone the phone to help me video, and like at first he didn't put his hand very well, so it was not so stable, so I just had to cut away some part of this video so that because it wasn't well placed, it's not the way I want it to be. So I got just chopping board and a napkin, and then this is a bowl, so you can use the bowl to just a container, just a storage container. You can use it to store anything. So this was actually, I used it to store rice, and then we had it had some other things inside, so I couldn't show it because of the way it was captured. And then also in the box they had like a containers, those spice jar containers, so I bought it with a spoon and everything. It's very beautiful, I love them, and they're so nice. So I'll still get more of this, so maybe subsequently I'll do like a proper unboxing of especially the spice jars. They're really nice, so I'll get more of that, so I'll do another unboxing of that. But basically this is what was in that box. So this is another one. You've seen this before, so this is to show you how much I love this so much that I had to get another one. So this unboxing will be very, very fast because you've seen it before, so I don't want to spend so much time on this. If you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. To click on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications to get notified when I drop new videos. I have lots of amazing stuff that you will love. So all this unboxing, all this instruments, all this gadget, all this kitchen utensils is what I'm going to use to make delicious food, pastries, cake. Whichever one you are into, you are at the right channel. So go to my other previous videos. You want to see those deliciousness, just click on the link that will be appearing on this video, or just go to my page. All the videos I share, so you can watch it. So my uploading days are Fridays and Sunday, 5:30 p.m. Nigerian time. So don't forget, you can give this video a like, comment below. I would love to hear from you. So which item is your favorite? I've already chosen my favorite, so which one do you like the most? Let me know at the comment section. Thank you so much.
We can book a flight, wake up and
So another item I'm unboxing is this beautiful pot. So I've been passing this store so many times, and every time I look through the store, I know that they sell like kitchen item, but I just like, okay. So but at the back of my head, I just know that one day I'm going to enter there. And when I entered there, oh my god, like I was blown away. They had lots of amazing kitchen items, lots of amazing kitchen items. And some of this item, I've seen a lady unboxing this before, unboxing one of the items they had. I wanted to get that, but I just said no, let me go with it because I love the function at which this pot is going to serve. So before that, I wanted to just unbox this perfume. This is from my sister-in-law. So I was so happy because I've never met her before. She's never met me before. We've just spoken on the phone just once, and every time she keeps asking about me. And this is not the first time that she has gifted me something. She has gifted me so many things, and this was not only what she gave to me, but because the other ones were not like in a pack, so that's why I'm not showing it. But she gave me that beautiful perfume. It smells so well, so that's why I'm unboxing, because the relationship, like my sister-in-law, and then she's giving me something, and it felt so good. Thank you so much, ma. And so to this next one, this pot, I love this so much. I love like it serves more than one purpose. So it can also serve as a grill. Yes, you can use it to grill on your stove, on your cooker. So that's why I love it so much. So you don't need to have like a grilling machine or anything of that. So you can just use this and it will serve as a grill. It's so beautiful and it's so big. Then I wanted a different color. Every time I'm always wanting a different color, but this color is actually fine. I love it. It's black, it's cute, like you can see it. You can just place this on your cooker and grill. You can use a serve as covering of the pot. So beautiful. I love this so much. So beautiful. I wanted something else. Like they have a lot of things in that store. They do like a lot of things. Like I know definitely I'll be going there. Like I've gotten a plug. Like they have a lot of things. The only thing that they sell most of their stuff in sets. So that's why I might just like, okay, except maybe I really want to get things inside, but they have a lot of things there. So let me know at the comment section which one is your favorite. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, share, and comment. I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses. Ciao.